Today I raised mine up another 4 feet, so it's about 16 feet up. I want to see what it does. You're going to run it tonight then and look at the difference. Yeah, it did well last night, so, I just wanted to, just messing around. Well, it's doing a good job. The only way I think he would ruin it is if the wind blew it over or something, because it's doing good wherever it's at. Ever since you had it up, it's done great. All right. Okay. All right. Good hearing your voice out there, John. Go ahead, everybody, with your conversation. Just going to say hi, John. Hi, John. Yeah, hi, Andy.
Hi, John, W6LZY.
Yeah, Bob, I sent you an email the other day, no response. I figured it went to spam.
Lots of things going on. I did read it, and I thank you for your concern. And yes, the 20-meter one worked out fairly well, but I'm going to be overhauling the antenna. I'm going to be having it down and make some changes in it, and then we'll see what happens, John. Thank you for your concern.
All right, I'll let you guys continue, and nice to hear you guys again. It's been a few days, and the band's been kind of crummy, and you guys already know about the flares and all that crap.
Okay, take care, John. 73 from W6LZY.
Yeah, 73 is AA6RF. Everybody sounds good here. Yep, we're still plugging away every night. Some nights are good, some nights are less good. Last night was about average for me. Yeah, after a while, Andy, night after night after night, if there's not much change, it gets kind of boring or whatever, but I still leave it up and hoping that there'll be something unusual happen, but as the seasons change, I think the conditions will change. We'll get more activity as it gets toward the fall. Well, I'm already seeing changes, and the total number of counts is going up. It was around 130, and I think last night it made it up to 199. For wintertime, it's usually up around 225. And not last night, night before last, I actually made it into Central America again, and the night before that made it into South America. So things are gradually changing. Yeah, I'm just disappointed in that Falkland Island. I mean, when they're up, we usually get in there, but I haven't seen it in a week or so. So I guess they pulled it down. Oh, I forgot to check with what's his call, LPV or whatever his call is. You know, the guy that runs 5 watts. Usually, if there's something listening, he gets into him. Yeah, he's kind of a beacon to see if Europe or Africa or something's opening up. But normally, when it does open up, he's kind of weak signal. But a little bit more power, you'd be doing the same. Yeah, no, I just use him as a check to see if there's somebody there listening. Of course, if they hear him, then I know at least somebody's listening. Yep. Yeah, if there's no receivers, you're not going to, even if propagation's there, you're not going to be able to know unless somebody's got their computer set up for it. So, anyway, Andy, good talking to you again, and keep up the good work with the Whisper, and you too, Bob and Bob. There's 2 or 3 other, and of course Craig's out there plugging along every night too. He's doing a good job with the Whisper on 40. It's I like LZY. At least you got some other frequencies going where I can compare. And I love your 20 meter on that VG4. It does a great job. So anyway, I'm going to get out of here. I'll let you guys continue. So AA6RF on the side.
Okay, Bill, K6SNB,